Alright, while everyone else here is jerking off, flooding the place, screwing stuff up, my pan's full. AC Inop. I'll show you how to fix it. I knew right away it was plugged. See the super slow drip, and the unit's not on. That thing is so full up there. This happens in all these freaking places. In condo world. I don't know why this thing split, but it did. One used to fit on here, old 5.3 hose. Works pretty good. We got nothing. It's plugged good. Oh, you're trying to get some chunky stuff now. Yep. I hear it. Keep your hose kind of in a... What month is it? Why are we using air conditioning? I don't know. I think it might be clear now. Here. Yeah, might be. That was 6 gallons, fill up 3 times. And that's the deal when your AC doesn't work. Always happens. And story time. Years ago, we didn't have AC for like a whole day. Waiting on a dude, now it's the only problem. And we're like, dumbass. See the mucus that comes out, the jizz? All that stuff just gets caught in that line. You hear it chugging now though? That thing's flowing. That's what you want to hear when the unit's going. Tick, 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 tick. Look at the chunky stuff. It's actually not that bad. We had it worse one time. It was all red. This is actually really not that bad. That was a minor clog. But that's the deal. We'll let it run again. Give it one more, whatever. And they say bleach is no good. Someone says you put white vinegar down the hole from the top. So that's what we've been using now. We used to use bleach. They say it crystallizes, and they might be right. The vinegar treatment seems to be working better than the bleach. Damn it, freaking guy still left water in the pan, dude. You didn't get it all out. Oh well. I would've got it out better. That's what you get though. That's not gonna evaporate, it's gonna stay in there. There's still a lot of water in there. God damn it, you see? I want to do it myself. It's not done well. That's not high enough, no. So you have 2 switches. See, we had some monkeys in the attic one time. HVAC dude, he was up here dicking around when the module was going bad. That was last year, and what he did, he stepped on this and he cocked it down so the unit would run for about a half an hour and then would fill. You see, you want this level right here, or almost about the level of your main drain line. But yeah, the freaking guy had that because that's a switch in there. So it used to see, it'll stop if I pick it up. It should. After a certain period of time, it should just turn right off if it's up for a while. But yeah, he cocked this thing downwards, and when it would fill up in just a little bit, it would trip that switch. Stupid ass. And you see, that's my vacuum on the other end, and that's the plug. So we are good. Yeah, they left freaking water in here though. That'll evaporate. It's a good funnel. Cheap one, is it? It's gonna fall apart in here. So that's the deal with that. Let's get the F out of here. Put our stuff away. And our dog is squeaking. And that's a big fall. Yeah, so many people have the same problem around here, and they're just ignorant and they don't know what they're doing. And they call the dude, and it's like $80 when you can fix it yourself. That or the other thing, what is it, capacitors go bad? Or this doesn't have a capacitor, it has that stupid shitty fan module thing. It costs like $600. It was covered in warranty. Look at this thing sweating. There's actually mold on this unit too, because this whole house has toxic mold. You see the mold on the outside now? Yeah, it's really good. I'm gonna get Legionnaire's disease, but these people around here are too ignorant to think about it. And this is 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. It's just the same. Every single day, something's just doot doot doot. You know, every day. Can't go one day without something. That's just a sign. But yeah, if you have one of these trucks, seriously, and you have the AC, this is off the coolant tank. If you change that Y, it works really freaking good to get a tight seal on that thing. So, 2006 hose comes in handy. I don't know who cut that though. And who is left with the cleanup? And I don't even own the place, as always. Alright, yeah, that should drip out in a little bit. Let's go clean up my other stuff. Did I say that? No, earlier a guy came by with bought my bike. He had a 1966 Pontiac what is that? Grand Prix or Bonneville? I think it might have been a Bonneville, one or the other. It looked the same, the bigger one. 421 6-pack convertible sitting right there. That was pretty funny. And he bought it. Why? He wasn't from around here. The local people, I called them and they said, I don't have any money. Like, why are you inquiring about it if you don't have any money? But what the deal is, this gate system, they changed the fucking whole thing again. Excuse my language, they changed the whole effing thing again. It's making it more complicated to get someone in here. I lowered this thing, I had it at $80. I actually had some people who wanted it, but they never really called you back or anything, so now it's at 60. It's starting to rust a little more. I got it for nothing. Found it in the trash, cleaned it up. So I'm not even gonna take the dust off. Not for $80 I would, but not for 60. Handlebars keep rusting on it. I keep having polishing it.